All right, lesson learned today. What goes up must come down. And that lesson was loaded with fun. Students at Fleming Middle School in Grants Pass spent the morning blasting their schoolwork up into space. They built 60 model rockets, and today they put them to the test. From the hand crank generator used to ignite the engines to the rockets themselves, there was a whole lot of enterprise up in the air.
Plastic Easter eggs, mailing tubes, I buy plastic bags, just tight string, and just build parts from any scrap, so nothing commercial. The only thing that's commercial that we did buy, actually, are the engines, and those are gunpowder engines, and I don't play with gunpowder.
Yeah, don't mind that rocket going by. I'm talking here. The rockets can fly as high as 1,000 feet. In addition to the fun, the teacher says the students learned a lot about the sciences as they prepared for today's finale.
A rocket launch on a somewhat larger scale. A Russian rocket took off this morning, delivering more crew members to the International Space Station. Drew Levinson explains how there could be a lot to learn from this mission.
Liftoff of the Soyuz rocket.
When Soyuz blasted off this morning, it represented a brave new world for NASA and maybe the first steps of a mission to Mars.
All going well in the first seconds of the flight.
The Russian rocket is delivering 3 more astronauts to the International Space Station. That not only doubles the size of the crew, but increases the ability to perform science experiments in space,
as well as maintaining and continuing the assembly of the station. So it's a very big deal indeed.
For NASA, the 6 people on board the space station represents even more than that. It's the first step towards going deeper into space. With that many people on the station for an extended amount of time, scientists can test life support systems and keeping people healthy, things that will pay off in future flights to the moon and then Mars.
Well, I guess we're ready to raise our glasses and just drink to everybody who made this all happen. Cheers!
The now infamous urine processor that proved successful during its first big test on board the space station last week is also vital to going to Mars. Because it can turn wastewater into drinking water, astronauts won't have to haul tons of clean water into space.
It costs an enormous amount of money to lift water off this planet. On a space shuttle or some other vehicle, it's almost $10,000 a pound. If you can generate your own water, you obviously save all that weight going uphill.
Booster ignition.
Today it was Soyuz on its way to deliver 3 more astronauts to the International Space Station. In the future, NASA hopes it's America heading to Mars. Drew Levinson, CBS News, the Kennedy Space Center.